Enough people now want to come back to Jamaica because of the war and the violence and the crime. Well, Fiyaneer are telling us, yo, end that. Not in this time. Burning! Yeah. Fiyaneer. Yeah, man, we actually crossed the sea and come over Goat Island. Yeah, man, it's right now. I pray for light up the fire.
How much for the best side of the island this?
Light up the fire, you know.
Eh?
Yo, which one that chill? Whole Harbour with them, it's the brother, yeah? Real brother, man. Watch when go on with.
Yeah, really right.
Show them when go on with.
I eat one, really
And after the aftermath.
Yeah, man. Really one, I eat one, that's everything set up, you know. Fried fish,
yeah, man.
And thing, you know.
We are going with that. At the feast part like this, you know. And judge of books, this, you know. Recording artists, I'm a friend, this, you know. All courtesy that he make with our whole Harbour right now. A whole of vibe. But what I want to say, zoom in, my general. Because I want to say a thing to the youth them in Jamaica, you know. I see right now, the crime and the violence are our biggest problem in Jamaica. Life nice, life is for living. We can live life. We are living life, you know, but what? It's that crime something in Jamaica, brother. That gun something there. No, brother, we not like it, brother. Jamaica feel nice. We Jamaicans feel nice. A paradise this. So you see right now, we have a big song name with Ball. And you can check it out on every platform.
Fiyaneer.
Me have another verse out of it. This the verse is an intricate verse out of the song name. We Ball. That verse name. We drive by and we murder, we enemy them. We rejoice and say, yeah, them fi dead from when? Them recruit and come shoot and kill we and we friend. Now we ball and we bend out the Dan life end. Now a couple of men a plan to go back again. The Dan can't just dead so that have to defend. Smarty have to dead back, yeah, that are the trend. Retaliation a go on. It have to happen. When them spray them don't care who get wet up, who could run. Lie down and can't get up. Black clad pump hole, 9 nights set up. Friends in a casket with the eyes shut up. We love to kill. But when we friend them dead, we ball. Tell the killers we chill. No bus, no gun, none at all. Yeah, man. We sing out with Alright, brother. Black clad every day. Alright.
Fiyaneer.
SIP. Every day, brother. In a paradise like this is where everybody want to come. Enough people now want to come back to Jamaica because of the war and the violence and the crime. Well, Fiyaneer are telling us, yo, end that. Not in this time. Burning! Yeah.
Fiyaneer.
Roast up some swim around. In idea, yeah. Yeah, man. It's a joy. My first time really traveling on a boat, you know. Come across the sea, man. Always up on land. Yeah, but I weren't coward. Yeah, because we just take it as an adventure, because you don't know the month of November, see and we, you know, so you don't know whatever the Almighty plan for you and decide for you. You have to go with it. Yeah, man, so with the whole harbour, yeah, with us, whole our boat ride and come and go to Thailand. So ride and go to Thailand with it. Yeah, man. Blessing, man. It's a joy. It's
Yo, I tell you God truth. We can't say we're poor. And also poverty look.
Sure.
Yeah.
Dead.
Poverty no look so. No,
Phone a ring, leave at the car.
This is not poverty, brother. No, brother.
Some boy job is to try to take where we go out there go slave for. Them boy they weed big shallow grave for. Bury them and make them mother have no funeral for pay for. Learn for no fuck with man paper. Who no fi happy when man step out like ding dong the river. Who no man when man have nothing, no man full of flavor. This me mother fast and pray for. And this, no for them I carry aid for. No my road never smooth me, no way never pay for. Never get mine pan up platter from no waiter. Undertaker fi take all you take. Wow, first lesson, protect my blessing. So me travel with a Smith and Wesson. Any fall order me start spray the Esson. Get no prescription no. Jah you preserve us for a time like this. I'm supposed to live in fine like this. Me and my friends them for ya dine like this. Me and fill if my glass with wine like this. Me work hard for mine like this. Who now want to see a shine like this? Me used to never have a dime like this. But now me have a lot of dollar signs like this. Hey, bad mind make me carry a 9 like this. Clips always load with binds like this. I mean the real copper kind like this. Fi make cops draw yellow line like this. I go out island with the first lesson. Protect my blessing. So me travel with a Smith and Wesson. And if all order me start spread this. You man the burning Fiyaneer done when I go out island with the month of November. My time, my season, job me for a reason. Right now we sing and we play the most gun song. How bullet fi spray and how we gun long. How informers fi dead where we come from. How we dark and we cool like dungeon. And how we enemies si burn up like jump on. But we not love when we the gun stun pan. And a friend or a family or a loved one get killed from the bullet of a gunman. But we love sing bout crocodile teeth. When it bites smarty fi we it don't sweat. Rifle rise and a beat, yeah we love sit. But we no love see we friends in a white shit. We are say kill. But when we friends them dead, we ball. Yeah man, a typically we that you know brother. It's when time we when we encourage our friend them our family to go murder some people over this that must have happened, you know. And we make them bad, you know. Yeah, man. You know, we encourage you them to murder them friends, man, and murder them classmates, man, and murder them community. Because everybody know each other, you know. No man just murder a death stranger, say, you know. All the who are war people who know people. Yes, what I say, so sometimes join communities in a war, and we just go over there, so we left some people on tar, and some man decides, saying, we have a murder them 60 we play them out of the bar. Yeah, man. Sometimes we live near, we not far. Yeah, man. So you don't know. Sometimes we drive by and knock yard. Mama, big up. Yeah, man. So they have a burning fire near, man. I don't know. Reggae Vibes Media, man. Big up yourself, Marlon. Yeah, man. A fire near from Kingston, Jamaica, man. Yeah, man. And the big documentary this, man. The big song when we love say kill. One of the friends them dead with bar. That's what I say. Yeah, man. The big song was produced by Reggae Vibes, man. On the rock hard rhythm. Yeah, man. I host all the artists up on the same rhythm. But at the fire near this, you see it burning out again, you see. A fire near. Why you not like for yourself, don't do it to another. Brother, stop murder your brother. Stop murder your sister, your mother. We love say kill, but when we friends them dead, we ball.